Welcome, real estate investors, new real estate investors. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to bring you some value and content. And if you will, and you like this and you want more, please smash that like button and subscribe. So what today I want to talk about is what is the best strategy when it comes to real estate investing. So I can tell you this, when it comes to real estate investing, understand that real estate investing truly is a long-term game. All right. It's not, 6 months, 8 months or 1 year. If you really want to get value, if you really want to build wealth, it's best to keep it for the long term. And that's really what real estate investing is. It's really a long-term game. So if you're looking for long-term gains and you want to build passive income and generational wealth, to me, the strategy that I've used the most and since 2000 is the buy and hold strategy. All right. I like the idea of getting passive income coming in every single month on the first without any hiccups. Specifically, I deal with Section 8 housing. So that tends to work for me. I've learned it so well that now it just becomes automatic. And anybody can do this. It just takes time to learn it and gain this knowledge and information. But the best investment strategy, again, is the buy and hold strategy. And there's a lot of things that come with it too. For example, the reason why I say the buy and hold strategy is the best, because you get things like appreciation. The value of the property goes up in time, right? The longer you hold it, the value goes up. It's riding off of the market. What's another good thing about the buy and hold strategy? You get passive income coming in every single month. Every single month you get a check from your tenant. What's another thing that's good about buy and hold strategy? The depreciation. Each and every single month that the tenant is paying your mortgage, they're paying that mortgage down. And on top of that, you're getting the cash flow, like I said. And another one is tax write-offs. You get to write this off. I have all my properties in an LLC. It's a business. It's stated by the IRS, and I get to write my properties off. These things make it so well when you're under the umbrella of a buy and hold strategy. For example, if you do the fix and flip, which I've done before, I just found out that once you flip it and you get that money, you spend it and you got to go do it again, right? You got to go buy another property. So it's rinse and repeat. It became another job. I had to go out there, get the deal, and then do it again, and rinse and repeat over and over again. So I just learned that over time, again, long-term buy and hold strategy, passive income coming in every single month automatically, is the most effective way in doing real estate investing. And that's the best strategy in my opinion. If you like this information and it brought you value, smash that like button and subscribe. Also, I'm on TikTok. So follow me on TikTok, EY, the real estate investor. All right. See you in the next video.